So this is some of the tools that come with the strimmer. You've got your blade fixing kit here, 3-tooth grass blade there, instruction manual, blade cover, Husqvarna's standard harness, which I'm not too impressed with. Looks very cheap. Just a bit of foam. Very cheap and tacky. So this is the Husqvarna 135R petrol brush cutter. I've had this in storage for a couple of years. Thought it's about time I got it out and give it a run out. Initial impressions, getting out of the box, not too good to be honest. Handles immediately just scream cheap plastic, both of them. They don't seem that high quality material. This is a 34.6 cc engine, X-Torque engine, which is supposedly pretty good. So interesting to see how it performs. Weight wise, 6.8 kilograms without the cutting head. So it's going to be around 7. So it's a mid-range, mid-powered strimmer, mid-weighted strimmer, bridging the gap between the heavy professional models and the lightweight homeowner models. Fitted with a T35 bump head. Also comes with the blade, which is in the box as well. But yeah, I like the guide design on the Husqvarnas. But yeah, first impressions, they have cheaped out on a few key components in my opinion. So let's give it a fire up. There's your primer bulb there. There we go. First time I fired this up, choke on the top. Automatic stop, so don't need to do that. Choke off. So yeah, I'll give it a run out and give you my thoughts.